Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly special for you. We're going to talk about a remarkable coin, the 2001 D1 dime, and its value in the world of numismatics. But first, let's dive into a bit of history and context. Shall we? The 2001 D1 dime coin, also known as the Roosevelt dime, is a dime coin issued by the United States Mint in 2001. It features a portrait of President Franklin D. Roosevelt on the obverse side and a torch, an oak branch, and an olive branch on the reverse side. Now, what makes this particular coin so intriguing is its rarity and potential value. Recently, the 2001 D1 dime coin was put up for auction at the prestigious Heritage Auctions, known for handling some of the world's most remarkable collectibles. Let's take a look at what happened during the auction and the surprising value that this coin achieved. During the Heritage Auctions event, the 2001 D1 dime coin attracted significant attention from collectors and enthusiasts. Bidding quickly escalated as the coin's rarity and condition became apparent. And guess what? The final hammer price left everyone astonished. Drumroll, please. The 2001 D1 dime coin sold for a staggering $60,000. Yes, you heard it right, $60,000. It's absolutely mind-blowing, considering the original face value of this dime was just 10 cents. Now, let's break down the factors that contributed to the high value of this 2001 D1 dime coin. Firstly, the condition or grade of a coin plays a crucial role. The coin that was auctioned off was graded at MS62, which indicates its exceptional quality and preservation. Rarity is a significant factor in determining a coin's value. Furthermore, demand and collector interest can also drive up the value of a coin. The 2001 D1 dime coin attracted attention due to its unique combination of rarity and exceptional condition, leading to fierce bidding at the Heritage Auctions event. Lastly, it's worth noting that the market for coins can fluctuate based on various factors such as economic conditions, collector trends, and historical significance. This auction result serves as a testament to the enduring allure of numismatics and the incredible value that certain coins can achieve. And there you have it, folks, a captivating story of the 2001 D1 dime coin and its astonishing value at the Heritage Auctions. If this doesn't pique your interest in the world of coins, I don't know what will. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.